Welcome to this tutorial on how to complete the student visa online application form if you're applying from outside of the UK. This tutorial should be used along with the student and child student home office guidance and the information published in our webpage. If you still have questions after watching this tutorial, please get in touch with us. To complete the student visa application form, you need to visit the student visa official webpage on www.gov.uk. Read the information on Apply outside of the UK and select Start Now. Are you intending to live in one of the Crown dependencies of the United Kingdom? Select No and press Continue. Do you have a current EU, EEA or Swiss passport? Choose the option that applies to you. If you have an EU, EEA or Swiss passport, you will be asked to download an app and to confirm your identity by scanning your passport. You will normally be able to complete the entire visa application process online without having to go to a visa application center. If you do not have one of those passports, you will normally not have the option to download the app. Instead, you will book an appointment on your nearest visa application center where you can provide your biometrics and submit your passport. For the purpose of this video, I will choose No. Confirm your visa type. Choose Student and press Continue. Select a country to provide your biometrics. Remember that you can only apply from your home country or a country where you reside. If you're applying for your student visa from a country other than your country of nationality, you will need to provide evidence that you're a legal resident in that country. Check the available application center locations on the link, confirm that you have identified your preferred location, and press Next. Read the information and press Apply Now. You will need to register your email and create a password. It is important that you keep a note of these details as you may need to come back to the application later. You can save the progress on your application and come back to it via the email that the Home Office will send you. You are now on part 2 of the visa application form. The Home Office will use the email address you entered to contact you. If you change your email address, you must contact them immediately. Confirm that the email address belongs to you and press Save and Continue. Enter any additional emails that you have. Enter your telephone number and confirm if you will use the number while inside or outside of the UK or both. Confirm your contact preference and press Save and Continue. Scholarships. Only select Yes if you have been awarded one of the scholarships listed. Answer No for all other scholarships or if you are not a recipient of any scholarship awards. Do you have a confirmation of acceptance for studies CAS number? You cannot apply without a valid CAS number. We will send you your CAS document once you have completed all required checks. Enter your CAS number and press Save and Continue. Enter your personal details, your name, your gender and relationship status, your address, details of your address, your identity card if you have one, your nationality, country and date of birth, and any other nationalities. Have you provided evidence of your English language ability in a previous application? Most people will answer no. Only answer yes if you have applied for a student or Tier 4 visa before and your CAS include the results of one of the qualifications listed above. If you have applied for a student or Tier 4 visa before but your CAS from SIUC says that your sponsor has made their own assessment of your English language ability, answer no. Choose your preferred language and press save and continue. English qualification from a UK school. Most people will answer no. Are you coming to the UK to study at a higher education provider with a track record of compliance? Answer yes. SIUC is a higher education provider with a track record of compliance. Does your CAS indicate that your English language ability was assessed by your institution or that you are a gifted student? Please check your CAS carefully. Most people will answer yes. Confirm whether or not you have people financially depending on you and press save and continue. You will now need to enter the details of both your parents. Family who live in the UK. If you have any family members in the UK, you will need to provide information about them, including what immigration permission they hold. For the purpose of this video, I will press no. Answer if you are traveling as part of an organized group or with another person. Enter the details of where you will be staying when you arrive in the UK. Other places you will stay while in the UK. If you will go straight to your permanent UK accommodation, answer no. But if you are staying in temporary accommodation before you move to your permanent room, please provide as much information as possible. You will now need to answer questions regarding your UK travel history, any UK visa applications, any travel to Australia, Canada, New Zealand, USA, Switzerland, or the European Economic Area, and any other world travel history. Your planned travel information. For nationals from outside of the EU, if your application is successful, you will be given a visa vignette in your passport to enter the UK. The vignette will only be valid for entry to the UK for 30 days. If your vignette expires before you travel to the UK, you will have to apply for a replacement. After you arrive in the UK, you will collect a biometric residence permit known as BRP with the full length of your visa. Declare if you have ever been refused a visa to any other country. Press save and continue. The following screens are related to UK security. Please read all the information and answer the questions fully. You should now have your CAS with you and answer the following questions exactly as it is stated in your CAS. Sponsor license number and address. SIUC is your visa sponsor. Please enter our sponsor number, which starts with a Y, followed by our main address, Scotland Rural College, West Mains Road, Edinburgh, postcode EH9 3JG. Press Save and continue. Place of study. SIUC is a higher education provider with a track record of compliance. Primary site of study. Enter the details exactly as per your CAS. Did you apply for your course through UCAS? If you apply for an undergraduate course through UCAS, answer yes and copy-paste your UCAS personal identification number. Otherwise, press no. Academic Technology Approval Scheme ATAS. Most people will answer no here. If an ATAS is required, your CAS will say so, and SIUC will have informed you during the CAS process. If you have any questions regarding ATAS, please contact us. Will you be receiving money from an official financial sponsor for your continuing studies? An official financial sponsor includes the UK government or the government of your home country, a university, or an international company or organization. If your parents are funding your studies, this will not count as official financial sponsorship, and you should answer no. You will now need to enter details of your course. Please have your CAS ready with you and enter the details exactly as per your CAS. Name of your sponsor institution. SIUC is your visa sponsor even if you are on an MSc delivered in collaboration with a partner university. If you do not enter SIUC's name here, you may be required to apply for a visa correction once in the UK. Please enter SIUC's name as stated on the CAS. Enter your course name and the qualification you will get exactly as per your CAS. Are you going to be a student union sabbatical officer? Most people will answer no. Enter the course dates exactly as per your CAS. Accommodation payments. Answer yes if you have paid money for a hall of residence managed by SIUC or our partner university. If you're staying in a privately rented housing, answer no. Enter the course fees. If you have paid a deposit or any other amount towards your course fees, this should be stated in the CAS. Student loan. Loans are acceptable as financial evidence if they are provided by your home government, a government-sponsored student loan company, or is part of an academic or educational loan scheme. For the purpose of this video, I will press no. Maintenance funds. You must show that you have enough money to cover your course fees and living costs. If the money is on a bank account in your name or you have a scholarship, answer yes to the first question. If you will be using your parent bank statements, answer the first question no, and then confirm that you have their permission to use their funds and confirm how you can prove they are your parents or legal guardians. You may need to provide documentary evidence of this later. Provide any other information that you think may be helpful for the caseworker when considering your application. Check your answers and press Continue. You will see the list of documents you need to upload as part of your application. Your passport, financial evidence, for example, a scholarship letter, bank statements, a certificate of deposit. Please remember that if you are using money held by your parents, you will need to upload a letter of permission to use the money and your birth certificate. You will also need to upload any qualification listed in your CAS along with the official translations. And if you're applying from a country that is not your country of nationality, you will need to upload evidence that you have permission to be in that country, for example, your residence permit. If you are a low risk or an EU national, you do not need to upload evidence of your qualifications or finance. However, the caseworker may request these documents after you have applied. Please make sure you have the documents ready just in case. Remember that you must always take your original passport to your visa appointment. You will not normally need to book a visa appointment if you are an EU national. You will be able to complete the application entirely online. You will also need to upload a TB test if you are coming to the UK from one of the listed countries. Please read through the conditions listed and confirm you understand and accept them. Read through the declaration and select the appropriate option. You are now required to pay for the immigration health surcharge before you can complete your visa application. The fee is a contribution to the UK National Health Service, which you will be allowed to use once you are in the UK. You will pay the fee on another website. This is as far as we can take you through the online form. Once the immigration health surcharge payment has been processed, you will receive a reference number, which you will need to copy and paste into the visa application form. Continue to choose a location to collect your BRP. You must choose a UK post office. You will pay the visa application fee, and you will be able to download your document checklist and your application form. Save these documents. You will proceed to book a visa application appointment where you will provide your biometrics and submit your passport. In some US locations, you will need to post the passport to the embassy yourself. Good luck with your visa application and do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. See you soon.